many communities across the country, they're tapping out on having fluoride in their public water systems. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who has long been a fluoride skeptic, says it needs to be removed. Now, Utah is making waves over this and could actually become the first state to fully ban adding fluoride from its drinking water. But there's major pushback on the state's proposed ban. NewsNation Now anchor Anna Koyman joins us with more. So, Anna, Utah could set a precedent with this. I mean, what's behind this new push?
Yeah, fluoride, Markie, is in public water systems all across the country. And now there's a growing chorus against it, including our HHS Secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Utah may be the first state to lead the way. Why? Well, it's looking to become the first state to prohibit cities from adding fluoride into their water supply. So here's why. For the last century, it has been seen as one of the greatest public health achievements because it prevents tooth decay. But new research is showing a link between high fluoride levels and lowered IQ in children. Supporters of this ban, even including some doctors now, are saying that choosing tooth decay prevention over brain health is not worth the risk.
Adding fluoride to the water supply is not the answer for preventing and treating cavities. And in fact, it could be very definitely contributing to things like hypothyroidism, a lower IQ in children, and the levels are too high. The amount that we're exposed to and children are exposed to on a day-to-day basis, that's where we run into problems.
So a few months ago, a federal judge ordered the Environmental Protection Agency to issue regulations saying, quote, fluoridation of water at 0.7 milligrams per liter, the level presently considered optimal in the United States, is a risk he says is big enough for the EPA to need to act. Now, the judge adding this, that about 200 million Americans are getting drinking water with fluoride that's been added intentionally. According to the CDC, that's almost 73% of the U.S. population who use a community water source, so the majority of us. Now, on the flip side, fluoride supporters say those studies are alarmist and a ban would prey on the poor.
We have a high level of tooth decay that is causing a lot of problems for the children in the community, and we would love to get the water fluoridated to get us up to levels with most of the United States.
The amount of fluoride in community water systems is a really teeny tiny amount, 0.7 milligrams per liter, but that little bit is all we need to keep our teeth good and strong.
Well, the nonprofit Fluoride Action Network shows us at least 4.2 million people are already living in communities without fluoridated tap water. Markie, if Utah's Governor Spencer Cox signs this fluoride ban, as many anticipate that he will, that number will certainly go up, and that ban could take effect in Utah in May.
Yeah, so the problem is, with folks that are against this is that we're swallowing it, right? Because you think about brushing your teeth with fluoride toothpaste, you think about the fluoride rinse at the dentist, and you spit those out. So is that the problem? Is this just that we're drinking the water every day?
It's also the amount of it. When fluoride was put into the public water systems, everybody wasn't using toothpaste that had fluoride in it as well. My dentist, has actually recommended we use non-fluoride toothpaste at our house.
Wow.
And maybe that's why.
I tried that before, and my teeth got too sensitive, so I've stuck with the fluoride. But really fascinating report. Anna, thank you. And remember, everybody,
the debate rages on.
It rages on.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.